Hey guys and gals, it's your dude, Sober Chef Eric, back at it once again. And today, gonna be doing another one of my lovely 5 ingredients or less. And today, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm making sugar-free instant Jell-O white chocolate with cinnamon and chipotle. Ooh, so check out this intro and I'll be right back. Alrighty guys and gals, now this is going to be a double batch. The recipe that I'll leave below will be a single batch, but normally you use 2 cups of milk, and I'm using 4 cups since I'm doubling the batch. Yep, double up, double up, double up, double up, double up. And the one I'm using today is the sugar-free instant Jell-O pudding. You could use whatever Jell-O pudding is your personal preference. You know, pistachio, whatever. And you're going to pretty much prepare it exactly the way the recipe calls for on the box. But I'm going to be adding a couple little flavors to make it a little more interesting and a little more tasty and a little bit spicy. You know I like my spicy stuff. So I'm going to be using my Hamilton Beat blender, and I'm going to be just doing it on low speed at first. Okay, now that I've got the mix incorporated, now we're going to bump it up to about a number 3, and you're probably not going to be able to hear me, so here we go. Now we're going to add the tastemakers. I've got 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon, of cinnamon, and I've got 1/2 of a teaspoon of lovely aromatic, oh yeah, some Chipolte powder. Now the reason I like using this with the white chocolate is you'll see when I mix it up here in a second, and as you can see it's starting to thicken up already. Alrighty guys and gals, sorry if that was a little noisy, I apologize. But as you can see, it's already starting to set. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to be going over to a friend's that's coming in from Canada on vacation and having a little barbecue for him. So this is going to be one of the tasty dessert treats. Now, since I won't have my camera there, I'm going to fill this lovely little glass container with some for myself. And then tomorrow, I will shoot the reaction video. Some people call it the money shot of a cooking tutorial. Oh man, look at that mess I made. Oh baby, look at that. That is already so good. Alright guys, gals, I'll leave a link for my hand mixer and my bowls and my spatulas down in the links below. And like I say, I will either film later tonight or tomorrow my reaction shot. And so hold on for some YouTube magic. Alrighty guys and gals, the Jell-O was a big hit at the party. Now it's time for my little taste test. As usual, the mustache likes to wear, you know, it likes to taste it too. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You got the white chocolate, the cinnamon comes through nice, and that chipotle is giving it a really nice bite. So, if you like this video, go and hit the thumbs up. If you didn't hit the thumbs down, just let me know why. That way I can work on improving. I'm always trying to get better myself, and I want to improve my content to make it more enjoyable for you guys. So if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And remember guys and gals, life's too short to eat bad food.